A musical performance is coming to Knoxville this weekend. The Big Ears Festival is hosting the Knoxville Broadcast.
Yeah, the performance will have more than 500 local musicians playing all original music based on the sounds of Knoxville. Emily Crabtree joins us with more from the composer who wrote it. Good morning.
Good morning, ladies. Yeah, composer Lisa Bialava says she moved to Knoxville for this project. She tells me she wanted to base the music for this project on the city that it's being performed for. And to do that, she took in the sounds of the area. Bialava says the Airbnb she's staying at is fairly close to a train track, and as trains went by, she would write down the chords the train whistle made. The chords, along with many others, will be heard during the Knoxville broadcast.
The piece is so joyful. It's like a really big joy bomb, you know, and it starts now. Like these last days leading up to the performance, everybody starts to feel that.
Bialava says she also collected text submissions made by the people of Knoxville as lyrics for the piece. She says that a lot of work went into creating this project for people to enjoy. And if you want to get involved in the performance, there'll be shows this Friday and Saturday. There will also be pickup ensembles where anyone of any age or skill can join the show. And some of the best news, ladies, is unlike the Big Ears Festival, these performances are completely free to attend.
Yay,
Wow,
that's
that's a bonus.
exciting.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Emily.